Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can transfer money from Apple gift card to Apple Pay. And before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, let's start our video now. So for the matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access your apple.com on your browser and get into the official website of Apple gift cards, where you can simply purchase Apple gift cards right over here, especially for the holiday season as well, and give them to your friends and family. So simply the gift card words: whenever you receive a gift card, you can actually redeem the balance, and can go to any of the Apple stores and redeem it for any of the Apple products, accessories, games, and etc. Right? But if you have been wondering whether you can turn your Apple gift card balance to Apple Cash, then unfortunately it's not quite possible. You can actually redeem the Apple gift card to your Apple ID, right? But you cannot actually get the balance to your Apple Cash. That actually just not allowed. You can simply take the Apple gift card and go to any of your stores and redeem it according to the amount it has and the balance it has for whatever you would like to have, or for as a gift if somebody has gifted you. So that is the basically reason. Even if you go to all search options and try everything, you cannot do so. So it's better for you to redeem and have some great gifts. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.